Direct taxes has been around for decades. Isn't it already solved?
We thought so too. But when we actually spoke to our customers, they told us that audits, assessments, and automated notices still cause real stress for them. They don't have the data to respond to either like an auditor questions or automated notices, right? Such as if an auditor asks, why is there a gap between your 26 AS and your books? Or if they ask, why was TDS not deducted for these expenses or these provisions?
Why does this keep happening?
We realized this is happening due to two fundamental reasons. The first is that ERPs are not designed for tax reporting, right? And this causes various problems such as advances and provisions need to be handled. It's difficult to tie back an expense and a TDS line item, or the ERP has PANs and not the TANs. And the tax rates are not automatic in an ERP, right? An accounting clerk has to select what tax rate to apply, especially if a vendor is supplying different services. The second fundamental problem is that the government has broken the silos between various tax departments, but the finance teams have not, right? The different government departments have access to the data across GST, TDS, ITR, and this manifests in tax audits, ITR assessments, GST audits everywhere. But the finance teams sometimes have different tax teams for direct taxes and indirect taxes. They may have different tools that are disconnected. They don't talk to each other. And this is the reason why tax teams do not have a source of truth if they need to answer any audit questions or notices. And this opens up a lot of risk for them.
How did you solve it?
We built a tax ERP on Clear Finance Cloud. This tax ERP fills the missing building block between the books to taxes journey. Let me tell you how that works. We use GL Stream to pull the raw data from the ERP to our platform, and we automatically transform it for government reporting, so that finance teams can be assured that not a single line of transaction gets missed in this process. Not just that, during filing, before the data gets reported to the government, the system automatically flags potential notices so that the tax teams can avoid system-triggered notices. The platform also automates 26 A's reconciliation with some of the most advanced algorithms. Customers have been able to use this platform to move from doing this reconciliation maybe once a year or none at all to doing it religiously every quarter and maximize the amount of credits and minimize the advance tax that they pay every quarter. The solution automatically creates audit exception reports. It creates the base data that doesn't exist today, which links expenses and TDS, and uses AI to automatically flag section discrepancies and wrong TDS rates. Now, finance teams can face every single audit with absolute confidence. Own audits the AI way with Clear Finance Cloud for compliance.